Hey friends! Welcome to my channel, Kimchi Warrior Princess. I'm April and I make videos on elevated style and wardrobe to improve your work life. If you like to look good and feel your best, hit that subscribe button. Also, be sure to comment, share, and like this video. You'll help me out big time with YouTube's algorithm. So out of all the neighborhoods in the DMV area, out of DC, Maryland, Northern Virginia, Old Town Alexandria is definitely my favorite. It's the most walkable, beautiful, charming, and historic neighborhood, but also it definitely has super high rent, but we'll get to that in a little bit. I can't wait to show you my townhouse and also a couple other apartments I've lived in before too. This video has been like over a year in the making. Hey friends! Welcome to the home tour of Kimchi Warrior Princess. Come on in! Prior to moving in, I took some footage to help myself envision how I wanted to fill this space. Have you ever walked into a home and immediately knew you were meant to be there? Or have you felt the exact opposite? My goal was to create a calm and peaceful place for everyone who steps inside. Before we look at decor and all of that, I want to give you the layout of the land. So Old Town is kind of this sprawling, beautiful mess where everyone pays overpriced rent. And the closer you are to the King Street shops, the less space you'll typically have and the more you'll pay. So there's kind of this trade-off there. And this is just a generalization, of course. So rents typically range between $2 to $3 per square foot, depending on size, location, and updates or upgrades. One-bedroom apartments will range from $1,500 on low end to $2,500 for luxury. Two bedrooms will be $2,000 to $3,000 a month. I won't get into buying property in this video since that's a completely different animal. So the thing that sold me on this place was this French door window setup and patio that I've got going on here. Just having outdoor space is such a luxury, but we'll take a look at that outside in a little bit. I didn't want this video to just be a video of me going around my house and pointing at all the pretty things and telling you about where I bought all of them, but everything that I have that's still available, I'm going to link that in the description box below so you can check it out. Some of the things that I have though, they are unique one-of-a-kind purchases from those sort of discount bargain places, or I picked them up through my travels. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this couch. I got it from this furniture store here called Marlowe, and it pulls out to a queen size foam mattress, and I've actually slept on it a few times and I love how comfortable that bed is. These prints are from the Nordstrom anniversary sale and I just think they're super relaxing and pretty. They remind me of California and the beach. I got this mandolin in Vietnam for just a couple dollars, and this Cordoba ukulele I got from Guitar Center in Colorado. There was a tiny bit of DIY involved with this place, so I had a friend help me install my own curtain and curtain rods and also the TV as well. When I first moved to DC, I lived in a luxury high-rise apartment with views of Georgetown, and while it was beautiful, I felt like living in a beautiful glass box was not really my personal style. Then I did a complete 180 and I went for this tiny little apartment right off King Street, and it was so old and ratchet, but the location and the lighting was amazing. When considering dining tables, I was looking for a solid wood round table because I found that round tables actually facilitate conversation and relationships. This light fixture was already installed in the place when I moved in, and then this painting I got at Ross for like 20 bucks, but I saw it at Z Gallery for like 200, and I was just super excited because that's such a steal. I was super excited when I found out that this was a real wood burning fireplace, which is so cozy on those cold winter nights, and I'm also one of those Christmas tree people that have them up year round, so you can make fun of me for that all you want. So this is my little bookshelf nook office area, and as you can see, I do have a signed red MAGA hat, and regardless of political beliefs, I think it's a huge honor to have something signed by the President of the United States. It was such a sweet gift from one of my friends, another perk of living in the nation's capital. This kitchen is the cutest thing ever. It literally has exactly what I need. I do cook a lot, and there'll be a little clip here in a little bit where it'll be less than 60 seconds of me showing you how I make kimchi, because after all, this channel is Kimchi Warrior Princess. This fridge is so awesome, by the way. I just love having ice made for me and filtered water, and it has tons of storage. Also, I'm a huge coffee nerd, so I've got my French press, regular coffee maker, and it's not in this shot here, but I do have an espresso off to the side. Okay, so as promised, I'm going to walk you through this super quickly. So listen up. Okay, so we've got Napa cabbage. I washed it all. I cut it into fourths, and then I drain it. I salt each layer with kosher salt, and then I pour water back in there and let it soak for 2 hours. And while it's soaking for 2 hours, and before I rinse it all off, I make the stuffing that goes into it that makes it spicy and delicious. So we got green onion, carrot, white onion, ginger, garlic, fish sauce, and of course the gochugaru, which is the red Korean pepper. And then mix it all up. I don't really do measurements, by the way, so I just kind of ballpark it and taste what's right. So anyway, here I mix it all up. Make sure it tastes umami, perfect, delicious. Okay, rinse again, stuff it, and then after you stuff it, you need to let it ferment for a little bit. I let it sit out for about 12 hours, then I throw it in the fridge for about 36 hours. After 48 hours, it's perfect, delicious. Voila, there we go, the kimchi is made. Now back to our home tour. This half bathroom is like my female cave in a way. So basically, this is my little haven. We've got my nail polish where we've got 50 Shades of Great Air Force Officer. And also we've got perfume. They all smell amazing. Under sink storage. Yep, there you go. There's a close-up shot of the 50 Shades of Pale Pink. Anyway. So there's the perfume, and I just like these mirrors. They're great to have. And then on top of the toilet, we have my headband holder. Blair Waldorf would be proud. And we've got scales on the side and a squatty potty because, you know, it's super convenient. So here at the top of the stairs is this palm tree canvas print I got from Ross. I'm a sucker for anything palm tree. I guess it's being from California. And it just reminds me of my parents, my brother, and me. It makes me happy. So this is technically in the master bedroom that we've got. It's got ample closet space, and this is literally upon move-in that I took this footage back then. My goal for the bedroom was to create a calm and serene place. And the Bible verse that I had in mind is Matthew 11:28, which is, "Come to me, all who are weary and tired, and I will give you rest." And I personally struggle from an underactive thyroid, low iron, low vitamin D, and sleep apnea. So sleep and rest is a serious struggle for me, especially during those times when you work so hard. So this picture above my bed, I purchased it in 2011 from a Hobby Lobby in Biloxi, Mississippi. And I lived across the street from it at that time, and I was just feeling so homesick one day, and I was browsing and I found it and I bought it for $5. It was the best deal ever. I got the frame though. It was like a distressed white paint from Amazon. And then also you'll see this photo of the two birds here. And I think I got this at Ross again for like $7.99. And anything with pairs or two or like a couple is always really good for the bedroom. It kind of inspires that romantic vibe. By the way, I love these little clip things for your phone chargers. I have them on each side of my bed and they just hold them in place so they don't go falling. And they're the handiest things I got on Amazon for just a couple dollars. And this little lamp is super cute as well. So with this bathroom, I try to do that spa-like aspirational thing that every influencer and YouTuber tries to do, but it's really hard in such a small bathroom. I did get this overhead or over toilet storage thing, and then this painting that my friend Meg painted of Charleston Rainbow Rose. So cute, and I love it. And then the shower hooks, I think I got them online, and then also this waffle curtain I got on Amazon as well. And the shower head is really good if you have a low water pressure, which I don't have, but I used to have before. So I've just kind of kept it throughout all my moves. So welcome to my library. I do love books. I have paused kind of though on buying the physical books, unless if they're super cheap, like less than $1, but they're so fun. I love reading. So welcome to the second bedroom. It's a small room. It is a work in progress, guys. All right, so bear with me. But I do have this IKEA armoire here, and on this side, I have all of my dresses. This is what I collect, basically. I feel like a Barbie doll every time I get ready and put on one of these. They pretty much fit me perfectly for the most part. Yeah, these are like my prized possession. They're just curated perfectly. And I love them. On this side though, we've got all my suits and business dresses. So anything in the plastic bags, those are like the heavy workhorses of my wardrobe. And I just keep them in bags so I can throw them into my luggage when I gotta go. And then also we have got this pull-out purse holder on the side, which is also super convenient. Now next up is shoes. So these are all like my pretty heels. Basically I have other ones hanging behind the door, but these are like my favorites that I've got right here. And then here we've got a stacked laundry unit. Super convenient to have it on the floor that all of your clothes are located on as well. We are finally at the patio now. Probably my most favorite spot, just because you are super lucky and blessed if you have an outdoor space in Old Town. These chairs and table, by the way, I got from Target. I do have some super cute cushions though that I do place there. And then I love these string lights, and I have a barbecue grill, a charcoal grill, and a fireplace. And here I'm just like cleaning, sweeping, you know, because it's good feng shui to have clean entryways. You don't want like spider webs or dirty leaves or any of that. But I love this area. It's perfect for journaling, drinking coffee, Bible time, just being with friends and just enjoying life. And I love it so much. I want to thank you for listening to all of this. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it again, and just comment, throw your thoughts in there if you ever thought about living here near DC or Alexandria or anything like that. I hope I shared some insightful tips with you about the area and what to look for. Thank you so much again. Please hit subscribe. The majority of my views do not come from subscribers, I've noticed. So hit subscribe, join the family, and thanks again. You can also follow me on Instagram at kimchiwarriorprincess.